Did you know that vinegar can be helpful to keep your clothes always clean? White vinegar is one of those things that is never missing from any house. Besides being useful in the kitchen, it also has properties that make it helpful to clean the house and even clothes. After watching this video, you will surely keep a spare bottle of vinegar in your laundry room too. 1. Vinegar as a fabric softener. We already showed you this trick to make your towels softer, but you can use it on any kind of clothing. To make your clothes soft, add 1 cup of vinegar directly to your washing machine when washing clothes. Some people are wary of adding vinegar to the wash because of its strong aroma, but the typical vinegar odor completely disappears after the clothes are dry. 2. Remove sweat smell and stains from clothes. To get rid of that sweaty smell from your clothes, just add 1 cup of vinegar during the wash cycle. If your problem is that your clothes have sweat stains, mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 8.5 ounces of warm water. Soak the stained clothing in the mixture, then rinse and wash as usual. 3. Get rid of the moldy smell in clothes. Prepare a mixture with 1 cup of vinegar and 2 cups of water in a basin. Then leave your clothes soaking for 1 hour. After that, wash them as usual. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. 4. Remove dry stains from clothes. If you need to get rid of stains that are already dry, do the following. Combine 3 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap in 4 cups of water. Rub the mixture over the stain, then wash your clothes as usual. 5. Prevent clothes from fading. To avoid your favorite clothes from fading, add 1 cup of vinegar to the washing cycle. If you want to prevent your new pants or shirts from bleeding during their first wash, leave them soaking in a few cups of vinegar. Don't dilute it with water for 10 minutes. 6. Remove dirt from grimy clothing. If you have kids or a husband that works as a mechanic, then you know what I'm talking about. Did you know that vinegar can remove dirt from your clothes? Add 1 cup of vinegar to 5 cups of water and boil it. Remove from heat and leave your dirty clothes soaking in the mixture overnight. On the next day, wash them as usual. 7. Care for woolen items. Woolen clothes ask for special attention, but that doesn't mean you need to hire someone to wash them. Leave them soaking for 25 minutes in a solution made with 1 part vinegar to 2 of water. After that, leave your clothes to dry. Did you like our tips? Are you going to use any of them? Tell us everything in the comments below. We also want to know your tricks and secrets to make your clothes look perfect without harming your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.